Once upon a time in a cozy little cottage, lived a wonderful mother named Mommy and her precious baby girl named Lily. They were the best of friends and shared countless moments of joy and laughter. One morning, as the sun began to rise, Mommy entered Lily's room with a warm smile. Mommy greeted Lily with a loving hug. Then they sat together at the table for breakfast and had a hearty breakfast. When Lily was playing with her toys, Mommy noticed something extraordinary. Lily's smile seemed to have a magical effect. It made the room brighter and brought happiness to everyone around.
If you want to make such cartoon story videos and earn money from YouTube, you must watch the full video. In this video, I will show you everything on my computer, but you can do the same work on your mobile phone. So let's get started. We will divide this video into 4 steps. Step number 3 is very important, where I will show you my secret prompt to generate high-quality images for free. So watch the full video. The first step is to generate a story script for our video. You will find thousands of stories on Google, but today we will use ChatGPT to generate a unique story for our video. So first of all, go to chat.openai.com and create a free account using your email address and password. Since it's so easy, I'm not going to show it anymore. When you will log into your account, you will come over to this page. Since we need a kid story, we are going to type, write a moral kid story about a mom and a tiny baby girl in about 200 words. And click here. As you can see, we have got an amazing story. Now we need some prompts to generate images. ChatGPT will help us to get some prompts. Just type, write the prompts to generate images for this story. And hit enter. As you can see, we have got some prompts to generate AI images. But this prompt is not enough to get these types of results. You have to add some secret prompts. I will show you everything as a bonus tip, so don't skip any part of this video. When you have generated your story script, your step number 1 will be completed. Step number 2. In this step, we will create a voiceover for our story using AI. You can use your own voice also. To generate voice, we are going to use 11 Labs. You can use any AI voice. I like this website because this is free. And here we have lots of voices to choose from. So here we need to paste our script. Now click on Generate. And it will be generated in just 1 minute. Now we can listen to the voice by clicking here.
Once upon a time in a cozy little cottage, lived a wonderful mother named Mommy and her precious baby girl named Lily. They were the best of friends and shared countless moments of joy and laughter. One morning, as the sun began to rise, Mommy entered Lily's room with a warm smile.
Now we can download this voice by clicking here. When you have generated a voiceover, your step number 2 is also completed. Our third step is to generate cartoon images using AI. So to do that, we are going to use Leonardo AI. I will put the link in the description. You just click here and create a free account using your name and email address. But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me create more helpful tutorials. When you will log into your account, you will see the same interface. You might notice that Leonardo AI is a web app, which means you don't even need a Discord account, which in my opinion is much more convenient than Midjourney. Like many text-to-image services, Leonardo AI uses a basic token system and gives you 150 tokens that reload every 24 hours, which is enough to make 2 videos per day. Also, you can use Blue Willow to generate more videos, and you will find full tutorials on my channel. Now go to AI image generation, and it will take you to this page. As you can see, I have generated so many images for free using this AI tool. So first of all, we need to select the image dimensions. I am going to select 16 to 9. Then set the number of images to 4. Now copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now add my secret prompt. Also make sure to set 3D animation style. Then click on Generate. And you will get the result in just 1 minute. As you can see, we have got amazing images according to our story, which is mind-blowing and saved a lot of times. Now we can download any images by clicking here. Just for your information, I am attaching screenshots of the prompts which I used to create my images. You can pause the video and copy those prompts. Using my prompts as an example, you can create similar quality looking images for your story. So in the same way, you have to generate all the required images for your story in Leonardo and download them. After this, step number 3 is also completed. Our fourth step is to convert our AI generated images into an animated video. To do that, I am going to use the CapCut app on my PC, which is free. You can use that on your mobile phone too. CapCut is a very simple and basic software. You can use Runway ML, which is a paid tool, but the animation quality is not good, so I am not going to show it anymore. You can watch this video to learn about that. So let's open the CapCut app and click on the New Project button. Now import all the videos and voiceovers you created. Drag everything to your timeline, and then adjust all of these things according to your script. Then you need to animate these images. So to do that, select the image and go to Animation. Then go to Combo and select any animation style you like. I am going to select this one, which is Distort Right. In the same way, you need to add animation to all of your images. You can see the preview by clicking here. Now to make the video more smooth, we need to add some transition. So to do that, go to Transitions and select Mask. Here you can choose any transition you like. I am going to add some different transitions in all of my images. Then you can see the result. This is so good. Now to make it more attractive, we need to use a background music. You will find thousands of royalty-free music on CapCut. Just go to Music and search for Kid Story. Then select any music you like. Now if you want to add subtitles to this video, you can also do that easily. Just go to Text and Auto Caption and click on Create, and it will be created in just 1 minute. Finally, you can see the results.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little cottage, lived a wonderful mother named Mommy and her precious baby girl named Lily. They were the best of friends and shared countless moments of joy and laughter. One morning, as the sun began to rise, Mommy entered Lily's room with a warm smile. Mommy greeted Lily with a loving hug. Then they sat together at the table for breakfast and had a hearty breakfast. When Lily was playing with her toys, Mommy noticed something extraordinary. Lily's smile seemed to have a magical effect. It made the room brighter and brought happiness to everyone around.
Now to export this video, just go to Export. Again, click on Export, and it will be exported in your PC, so your video is ready. Now you can upload this video on YouTube and start your money-making journey. Remember, consistency is key to success. You can ask me anything by commenting below. Thanks for watching.